Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be landing the Boeing 737 XPLANE11 into Seattle, Washington, KSEA, Tacoma. Okay, so let's start on flaps 10, actually 5, okay, let's go 15. We'll give some power, okay, pull up a bit, we're on the glide, okay, we'll apply a bit of rudder. A bit. Yeah, there you go. Okay, now we're just pulling back. Okay, we got the glide. Okay, no problem. Okay, it's just screaming glide slope, glide slope. Okay, auto. Okay, I'll just do manual braking. Who cares? Okay, flaps full. Uh, pull it up. Just going over the trees. Gear down. Is the gear was down. Okay, I just checked it. Okay. Okay, so the okay, what is that? Okay, oh no, I'm low on speed. Whatever, I can land it though here. Okay. Okay, we landed successfully in KSEA, Seattle, Tacoma. Let's vacate the runway. I don't know what I'm vacating on, so we'll see that. But I just vacated. Okay. Juliet. Juliet. Juliet 2. I'll go to the right actually. I mean the left, whatever. I can't speak. Are there any parking stands? Oh, never mind. Wait, I'll actually just pull up and then go via the runway. The runway is there, so I'll just go through the runway. Okay. Okay, and then just spool. Okay, and then okay, so I guess we'll stand over the stand beside this DC-10. Yeah, I think it's DC-10. Is there a stand? Oh no, there's not. Wow. Okay, there's probably some stands clear on the back. Beside the 757. 767 actually. No, whoa, okay, this is 767, okay. That must be, I don't know, MD something, DC terrain, something like that. Okay, so we're gonna go to the back side of the airport. Okay, a bit less power, I guess, will be good. Okay, I think there is some stands clear here. Okay, okay, that was a clear stand. Okay, just gonna go to this stand. Okay, okay, power back. Okay, so let's give a bit power, power. Okay, there you go. We're in our parking stand. Why is there no marshaller? I'm confused, but it's fine. There's a tug, but there's no marshaller. Okay, well, I guess I'll just use the outside view actually. Okay, let's switch over to the outside view. One sec. Outside view 3. Okay, so we're actually just entering, so I'll just use a bit of power. Go forward. It's not going forward. Okay, so we'll just align it up with the center line. And then okay, I'll just use the outside view actually. Yep, we can go a bit forward. Yeah, bit more, bit more. Okay, we'll stop at the last one. This is Delta 737 by the way, yeah. I just wanted you to know. Okay, okay, we're okay. Let's set the parking brake. Let's go into the cockpit. Yeah, there you go. Okay, we have the boarding bridge connected. I have to open the door in a while, but that's fine. Okay, let's just shut down the plane real quick. AP turns off. All of these comes off. But I'll just, yeah, I got it. Back, forward. Okay, shut down the engines. Hit that. Okay, no, I don't want that. Got the battery bus. That'll stay. Keep it on. Hydraulics comes off. Window is off. Window heat's all off. My power is off. We don't have any standby power. What else? Okay, so the packs. We'll go APU bleeds. Okay. Oh, that's fine. Your damper, you can come off. Okay. So I'll just turn off the bus. Okay. So and I guess we'll switch over to our battery, and battery's off. So everything shut down here. Yes. Okay. So we'll just quickly go to outside the cockpit to just open the doors. One sec. Okay, I'll just close this door very quickly. I'll close that door. I don't know what this is. Lavatory, maybe. Smoking is always prohibited. I don't know if you're exactly aligned, but XPLANE doesn't really do that stuff. So, wait, what? Where is it? Wait, let me just go back a bit. Okay. It's on our wing. Okay, so I guess I'll just open the emergency exit or something. Okay, let's just go around the aircraft. This is business class. Can you open this? I don't know. Who cares actually? Nobody cares about that. Okay, let's just go up. Okay, where's the next emergency exit? I'll go over to that, I guess. Okay, found it. Okay, emergency exit. They're both. Okay, so I'll just. Okay, got one out. I'm gonna get out. Let me just see. It's a bit forward. Okay, never mind. Thank you for watching this video. We'll just return back to the cockpit. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.